The Mazda 3 flip key fob from 2010 to 2013 models often fails due to a dead battery. First, get a new CR6020 or CR2032 coin cell battery, checking the fob's internal label for the correct type. To open the fob, use a small flathead screwdriver or plastic trim tool. Insert the tool into the small slot at the key ring end and gently pry it open. Be careful not to crack the plastic. Once open, remove the old battery, noting the positive side orientation. If there's corrosion, clean the contacts with isopropyl alcohol. Insert the new battery with the positive side up, ensuring it sits properly. Snap the case back together securely. Test the remote functions like lock, unlock, and panic button to confirm it's working. If the key fob case is difficult to open, apply a small amount of WD-40 to the latch mechanism and try again with a plastic pry tool to avoid damage. If the remote still doesn't work after battery replacement, the issue might be a faulty receiver in the vehicle, especially in older models. In that case, consult a dealer. Ensure you're using a genuine Mazda battery to avoid compatibility issues. If corrosion is present, clean with isopropyl alcohol. Note that future models could incorporate NFC and smartphone connectivity, phasing out physical battery needs, but for these models, battery replacement is usually the primary fix.